What's up, everybody? Good morning. So today's our first video of Let's Take a Ride to Work. Today we're going to be driving a Lexus SC400 V8. Very cool, unique, kind of an old school car. Let's head off to work and drive the SC400 Lexus sedan on a beautiful October day. Oh yeah, this is exciting. Stay with us. All right, everybody, let's take our ride to work. Good morning. Man, it's spooky out here. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Very spooky. It's a beautiful day. Always watch your step, don't want to run over a pumpkin. But anyways, got a beautiful morning here. And here's a beautiful car. The Lexus SC400. Oh boy. Let's take a look at the key to this car and see what year we have. This vehicle is a, 1992. Wow. I didn't even realize last night when I drove this home that this was that old. A 92? Man. In beautiful condition for 92. I mean, realistically here. I mean, what an absolutely gorgeous car. I like the color. Again, the SC400. Now, it does have a few little things here or there that may need fixing on it, but we will definitely fix that at our store, Southern Motor Company. But this is a nice car. But, I mean, overall condition of the body in good shape. The rims and tires look nice. It does have a little this here. But, man, the SC400. So, yeah, this is a V8 dual exhaust. Some may say, well, Chad, this is based off of the Toyota Supra. Well, maybe so. I don't know, but we're gonna find out here this morning. Wood trim, power, leather. Man, a 92? I was born in 81, man. We're going back some time. Yeah, let's get down in. Let's crank her up. She cranks right up. She has 73,000 miles. Wow. All right, a little marshmallow on in the morning. I like it. Good music. Anyways, yeah. Man, 73,000 on this puppy. Wow, not bad. Yeah, you get to see where Chad lives. My cute little house. Yeah, all our Halloween decorations. I live right next door to the ice cream man. Can you believe that? Yeah. Anytime I want some ice cream, I can walk over there and go, yo, ice cream man, hook it up, brother. Anyways. You know, who cares? Let's just drive to work in the morning. What a nice little ride to work. We're already out on the main highway, you know? Acceleration feels good. This car actually drives nice and smooth. No play in the steering. I mean, it is very responsive. Boom. Oh yeah. Man, what a nice riding car for a 92. I mean, this is kind of something you just don't get to check out all the time. Anyways, I'll be right back, everybody. I gotta walk in the gas station for a minute, get a few provisions for the day, and then we will be making our way out of this place. So stay with us. All right, a little shout out to 7-Eleven every morning for their great breakfast. Anyways, they just won this huge award for their breakfast. But anyways, there's the SC400, and I just noticed something that's really important. I forgot the dealer tag. So we gotta go back and go get the tag to the car, which really sucks because I didn't realize that I left the dealer tag at the house, but I did. So anyways, let's do that. Whoa, slow down, turbo. Now let's get our asses back over to the job place and make some money today and hopefully sell some cars from the hard work I do on marketing vehicles. And this is the real deal car salesman in 2020, y'all. Okay? These are the things we do to sell cars. And believe it or not, a lot of people watch these videos. You know, the boss man at the SMC store says, you know, last night he says, does this actually work to help sell cars? You know? Of course it does. He says, what are you doing today? What are you doing right now? I said, I'm selling cars. What are you doing? He'll call me on the phone. What are you doing right now, you know, this time of morning? I'm selling cars. You know, I could be editing on my computer. What are you doing, Chad? I'm selling cars. What are you doing, right? That's the whole key. What's the detail guy out there doing when he's cleaning a car? He's selling a car. I love it. What's the mechanic doing in the shop when he's working on the car? He's selling the car. Okay? What are you doing if you're posting it on Facebook or making an ad? You're selling a car. In reality, if you work at a car dealership and you're doing anything with automobiles, you're selling a car. So somebody out here on the highway can buy a car and not have a piece of doo-doo car if you buy it from a good place. Anyways, let's scoot down the road here and see how this thing feels. Man. I mean, the SC400's V8's got some really nice, smooth acceleration. I mean, it doesn't like throw your neck back in the seat like, whoa, man, this is a bit much, but it's smooth. All right, guys, the SC400's driving just fine and dandy. Pretty smooth, it rides good, it looks good. I mean, you got it. I mean, guess how much this car is gonna be? Like 7,900 bucks. That's it for like a classic SC400. Brakes feel good, turning, steering's good. I mean, needs a few things fixed on it, but man, I feel bad for that little Volkswagen. Good gracious. It's, man, the whole car just had a rough life, you know? And the fellas out there. Now look what we're seeing over here though. Look at that. What a beautiful beauty. Now that is, I mean, that is a beauty right over there. Good morning. That's a pretty car. Convertible. Wow. This is the kind of stuff we see in North Charleston, everybody. Okay. Then you got stuff like Volkswagens, old school 92 Lexus. Good morning. A little bit of everything out here on the highways. Good morning. All out of it? Okay, no problem. All right, there's 8 minutes of the video gone. All right. Yeah, they'd always run out of my stuff. Anyways, all right, on to the next one. I mean, we'll probably end up stopping at like 5 gas stations before finding. We already missed it at one. Now we're at this one. Anyways, we got to catch up with this guy right here because this guy has got something special. The guy in the Volkswagen sitting there staring at me like I'm a nut job. Like, who is this person talking to himself? Man, that is beautiful, look, taking the... Boy, he ain't playing this morning, bro. Brother says I'm dropping the top. Look at him. Got a power top on that bad boy. I mean, he's got his... You know, there's something, I mean, about brothers like that, man. He's got his Sunday outfit on, his hat, beautiful car. I mean, he is matching to the vehicle he's driving. Now, that is very important. I'm preaching this morning, guys and girls. It's very important that you look similar to the vehicle you're driving. I mean, you think me in a Crack-A-Barrel shirt is matching up with this Lexus right here? Absolutely not. We should be riding down the road in a Jeep Wrangler, a pickup truck, a Toyota. Anyways, I mean, if you're driving a Corvette, you need to be looking kind of sporty. If you're driving luxury, maybe have a, I don't know, just, do you feel what I'm saying though? Should people kind of match with the vehicle they're driving? I think that guy back there looked exactly like the vehicle he was driving, man. I mean, the car looks like you, or you look like the car. Anyways. Dr. Pepper, where's it at? I need a Dr. Pepper. Right here. Dr. Pepper.
What's number 22? 23. No, 23.
23 on 44.
44?
Listen, look at this.
What's number 3 and 4?
Number
M&M.
3 on 27 and 4 on 20.
God, Rick. I mean, music to be murdered by. Man, I didn't want to wake up and be murdered today. And this one. Stunner, young, rich youngin.
Matter of fact, can I change my mind and get 632?
Bentley. Anyways, the funeral. Everything is death on here. Anyways. Lucky Leapies, hit if you wish. I just wanted Dr. Pepper.
What's the new $1 card?
I give to you. The new one.
Get 2 more.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey. Can I get I'll take a can of this right here. Skull Classic Straight Long Cut. Oh no, Skull with an S.
No, we don't have the.
You don't, this is the third gas station I've been at that don't have it. Man, you know that a lot of people use
After
Skull.
a long time, maybe like you are coming after the 2 years.
Yeah.
Coming. Yeah.
Yeah, you only have a small selection of tobacco. Yeah. That's where the money's at. Okay. I'll try again another day. All right. God bless you. Thank you. God. All right. Well, that'd be number 3 gas station that doesn't have my tobacco. Can y'all believe that? Anyways, it's okay. We got Dr. Pepper here this morning. Will we ever get to work today? Thank God I got a GoPro camera with 125 gigabytes of raw American footage. I hope you enjoy this long ass video today. This is uncut and very real. Are we still filming? Of course we are. Camera says we got a little time left. I really do. Anyways, here we go. We got a nice young man over here driving his little Toyota Prius. And we're rocking a Lexus SC400. Let's see if we can smoke them. Oh, of course we do. Look at that, man. Come on, bro. You're not going to hang with the SC400? This is the Savage Mile. It's where all your old school cars, your Savage cars go at. All out there. They used to. Anyways. All right, that was a long ride to work this morning.